Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Shokz OpenFit. Now these are open ear true wireless earbuds. You can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for these, $179. Now they come in two different colors. You got black and beige. Alright, so shout out to Shokz. They did send me a unit to review, so let's go ahead and review it. Alright, so this is the Shokz OpenFit Open Air Design Ultimate Comfort. Now inside, they did send a nice little presentation. So let's walk through it together. Okay, slide number 1. Now this shows you more details about the earbuds. You got innovative audio experience featuring direct pitch technology. Okay, next slide. Feel nothing but comfort, ultra soft silicone. Okay, that's the silicone. Next, we got powerful bass experience, low frequency enhancement algorithm. Okay, so you're gonna get a lot of bass with these. Next up, small hardware for big sound, customized dynamic drivers. Okay, this is a beautiful presentation. Bright highs and deep lows, ultralight composite diaphragm. Okay, excellent build quality. Okay, go unnoticed, light and balanced design. Okay, perfect for outdoor activities. Fit and secure. Now these feature the Dolphin Arc ear hook. Okay, so these are not gonna fall out of your ears. Beautiful presentation. Inside, these are gonna be the earbuds, and check this out. A little demo of how soft this silicone really is. All right, so let's check out the earbuds. All right, so let's take a closer look at the charging case. Little Shokz branding, USB Type-C charging slot, and 2 LEDs. Now let's check the magnet strength. We'll start with minimum shakage. No movement, intermediate shakage. No movement, maximum shakage. No movement at all. Excellent strength on the magnets. All right, so here's a closer look at the actual earbuds. Here's the Dolphin Arch ear hook made from soft silicone, Little Shokz branding. And remember, these are open style earbuds. So they're not gonna stick directly into your ears. They're gonna rest right on them. This way you'll be able to enjoy your music and still be aware of your surroundings. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the charging case, the earbuds will automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Shokz OpenFit. Now let's take a look at the app. Let's go to settings. You can register your product. Okay, you got different EQ modes. You can update your firmware. You can change your app language, and you can switch between light and dark mode. Okay, you got a user's guide. You got about Shokz, reward survey, and legal information. Now it shows you a picture of your earbuds. You got the battery percentage for the left, the right, and the charging case. Here's your different custom EQ modes. So you got a few presets. You got standard, vocal, bass boost, treble boost, and you can also customize it. Now I got a custom one set up already. Y'all know the V pattern. There it is. You can customize your touch controls, and you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, and raise and lower the volume. All right, so now let's talk about the look, the fit, and the feel. And one of the things that I like about these already is the ear hooks. These are gonna give you a nice, tight, secure fit, and they're not gonna move around on your ears. All right, so I'm gonna put these on, and right away I'll tell you this. A lot of earbuds have ambient sound mode. These are the ultimate version of ambient sound mode. Now, if you're working and you want to listen to music and still hear the phones ringing in the background, maybe you're in the house and you got kids, you want to play your music and still hear that baby crying, or maybe you want to work out outside and you don't want to get hit by a car, these are going to be perfect. Now, I'm going to do the head shake test. Matter of fact, I'm going to take it one step further. All right, so I'm outside in the park right now, and I want to give y'all a closer look of how the earbuds actually look. Now I'm gonna do the head shake test. I usually don't do this live, but minimum shakage, intermediate shakage, maximum shakage. No movement at all. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. I got a classic song queued up. We got Trophies by Young Money featuring Drake. This is one of my official workout songs. I'm gonna start off at max volume and the EQ set to standard. All right, here we go. Double tap for play and pause. Let's get it on. All right. Now, this is actually a weird feeling because the music is loud, but the earbuds are not in my ears. Okay, here we go. It's on my demo. Did y'all boys not get the memo? I do not stay at the Intercontinental. Anything I got is not a rental. I own that. All right, hold up. Wow. Now, I can still hear the table. I can still hear my surroundings. I'm going to take these outside, but let me try something. Hold up. Let's try bass boost. Ooh, okay. You can definitely hear the difference in the EQ. Okay. A lot of trouble on this one. Let's try my custom EQ. Ooh. Oh, okay. Never doing it for you. I have nothing else to prove. You know. Ooh. Here's all my people. And I don't get no award for that. Yo, I don't know if y'all can hear this. Let me lean them close to the mic. Do y'all hear any sound leakage? Hold up. Hold up. Let me take this out. Y'all hear this? Wow. Yo, this is crazy. Hold on, let me put these back on. Okay, hold up. Now I want to try something else. Let me pause this real quick. Hold up. Wow. Like I said earlier, if you're looking for earbuds that have great ambient sound mode, this is the God tier ambient sound mode because the earbuds are not actually in your ears. So I can still hear my surroundings. I want to take these outside and take a quick walk. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. All right, so one quick important side note that I want to mention. Now, when you're watching this video, you might hear a lot of sound leakage. And here's the thing. I'm sitting downstairs in my basement in complete silence, and I'm recording this video this close to my microphone. So it's going to pick up a lot of sound. Now, in the real world, when you're wearing these earbuds, nobody's going to hear your music. All right, so now let me talk about how these sound outdoors. Now, I'm sitting in the park right now, kids playing around me. Let me show you the volume I'm rocking. I got about 30% volume. My music sounds perfectly fine, and I can hear everything going on. Now, these get super loud. Watch this. I'm going to put it to maximum. Okay, now at maximum volume, I can't hear nothing. This is pretty dope. Let me turn it down. All right, I'm going to turn it down. I got to turn it down to around 30%. That is a testament to how good these are, because if you want that ambient sound mode, turn the volume down. Now I can hear all the kids playing. But if I put this at max volume, I can be deep in my workout, and it's going to sound like I'm wearing a real set of truly wireless earbuds that are directly in my ears and not just resting on my ears. I am loving these so far. Now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? Let's hit play on the music. Okay. You hear how nice and loud these are? Let's drop them in the case. Okay. Wait for them to fully disconnect. There it is. Here we go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. Okay, 2 Mississippi. You see it says connected? 2 Mississippis. That's excellent. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's find out. Double tap, play the music. Okay. Now I'm going to take out the right side, drop it in the case, close it up. Let's hit play on the left side. Okay, the left side is playing. Now I'm going to put the right side back in. Let's wait for it to reconnect. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to take out the left side, drop it in the case, close it up. Let's hit play on the right side. And the right side is still playing. This is pretty epic. You can use either earbud independently, basically doubling your battery life. All right, so now let's check the touch controls. And on the side note, these are fully customizable, but here's how I got mine set up. Double tap the right earbud for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. Okay, so the music is playing. Let's double tap again. The music just paused. Okay, so that works. Now to skip to the next song, we're going to press and hold on the right earbud for 3 seconds. Okay, there it is. Now to go to the previous track, press and hold for 3 seconds on the left earbud. Okay, start it over. Do it again, and it should go to the previous track. There it is. Okay, so all of the touch controls work. All right, so now I'm going to check the call quality. I'm going to call up Amaya. Okay, Shokz OpenFit. Let it ring. Now it's nice and loud. I'm actually going to turn it down a little bit. You're... Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? Bro, how are you eating and we going to dinner in a couple of hours? You are such a fatty. Damn. I'm kidding. Chill, I'm kidding. All right, put the fork down for a minute. I got to ask you a serious question. All right, I'm testing out some new earbuds. How do I sound? Crystal clear? Yeah, you sound nice and clear too. Actually, I turned the volume down. I'm going to turn it up to maximum volume. Yeah, this is nice and loud. I like these. You know when you hear the high voice, that means I like something. All right, hold up. Check this out. I got the Brookstone fan. Do you hear any wind noise? Okay, minimum wind noise. All right, hold on. I'm going to put it on maximum windage. What about now? Okay, you hear a little something? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, well, would you be able to have a full conversation with me like this? Yeah, no problem. You sound extra clear. Hold on, let me turn this off. Okay, I am feeling these. I am definitely feeling these. All right, so let me let you go back to your fatness. But give me a quick rating. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate my voice quality? Oh, 9.5? No, these are not AirPods. I'm going to show you them. I'm going to bring them with me. I'll show you in a little while. All right. I'll talk to you later, fatty. All right, bye. Okay. Call quality on these. Excellent. All right, Amaya sounded super loud. She said I sounded extra clear. And I can't stress this enough. Even though these do not go into your ears, there's no shortage of volume. Okay, now y'all remember I did the link buds? I didn't like those. They were too low. These are not in your actual ears, but they're super loud. You're going to like these for call quality. All right, so I just did some more testing off camera. I walked all the way to 30 feet, no drop connections. Then I played a whole bunch of different videos, no latency issues at all. So now we can rank these. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Shokz OpenFits a major go. If you're looking for truly wireless earbuds that have the best ambient sound mode, these are the ones you want. These are the best that I've heard yet. Now the volume on these is super loud. Without going directly in your ears, it seems like they're not going to be that loud. You're going to be impressed. All right, the volume on these is nice and loud. Now the music sounds great. The highs and the mids are crystal clear, and the EQ actually works. You can change your sound signature. The call quality is excellent. 7 hours battery life, that's great. You can use either earbud independently. You got the soft silicone ear hooks. These are not going to move around in your ears, so that's perfect for the gym, perfect for your outdoor activities. But the best thing about these is the bass. Believe it or not, the bass on these sounds terrific. Okay? The Shokz OpenFits. These are triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture roll. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, And he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.